See, it's saying record.
All right, there you go.
Right now. What's up?
Yeah, just casually loading, you know.
Anytime.
Ow! That hit my leg, asshole.
What do you have to say?
Chicken grease motherfucking cocksucker.
Do you know the new one?
What?
Grease-eating cheeseburger fucker.
Anna, this one's just for you, alright?
How's that
And
feel?
it's over. Feels fucking good, Mikey. This here is liquid spit.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Let me see. Alright.
Alright, this is liquid shit.
This one's for Khaled. See, a 12 gauge isn't that bad.
Was he allowed to come or?